There's so much water in the street right now. Flash flood warning, boys.
Are the cars coming?
Gotta go faster than Sonic.
We drove around the river.
We gotta drive around.
You guys want to go through it or
No,
not?
no.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I do. Yes, we're going through the river.
No.
Oh no! We've seen 5 people stop.
Definitely a bad idea.
Holy crap!
Corvette. We're waiting for his car.
Bro, we just drowned his
He's
ass.
trying to get us back.
Was his window open?
Coming after us.
What are you doing?
We're turning around and going home.
What?
We just came this way cause river road.
You seriously gonna go through it again? I wonder if it's like the after this thing you bring in this shoot
Once we get home, we're good. We're on a hill.
At changedlives.org.
Why don't we just go that way?
Flooding is expected.
Okay, if we stall, you owe only $10.
What?
If we stall.
No.
I kind of want to open my window.
Hi, I'm Roxy Todd, reporter for
You'll get
Information
soaked.
on West Virginia.
Don't do that. Or you're. How about you pay for a new dashboard? No, it won't actually.
Their own story. For years, the media has told our story. Now it's time to tell our own. Let's
Get
begin.
it. Go to the door.
We get the shape of the country report about Appalachia.
Aiden, don't get the door so wet. Just close the window.
Right here.
That's how the car gets ruined on the inside.
We just go home now. Part of it.
9.
WVBY Becky, WVBL Bloomfield, WVBW Buchanan, WVWB Huntington, WVEP Martinsburg, WVKM Matewan, WVPM Morgantown, WVPG Parkersburg, WVDS Petersburg.
That's 2 ambulances, probably from flooded houses.
Wheeling, and at
The lower part of Wheeling has to be flooded right now. I feel bad for the people who live by the river.
that nearly everybody loves. I'm Paul Brown.
Aiden, close your window.
Holy crap! Oh my god.
First one on smartest idea to roll the window up. We almost got drenched.
There's ambulance.
This rain is insane.